my name is Valerie. Imagine waking up in the future. I mean, as yourself, and that would be just so cool to see what everyone around you looks like and what you look like. So, in this book that I'm about to share, the main character does go into the future, which is so cool.
Read with Val. Read on, have fun, and dream big.
And it is called 12 to 22, and it is by Jen Calonita, and it is it's like realistic in the sense like the characters and everything else is realistic except the fact that she does time travel. So this book is a 10 out of 10, and the main character in this book is named Harper, and she lives with her younger sister and her two parents, and has two best friends, Ava and Zach, and they're like an amazing trio. There are also these girls at our school that are like the popular mean girls, like the normal popular mean girls, and they're called like the Cambridge Street girls because they all live on the same street with huge houses, and Harper wants to be like them so bad, even though that her two best friends are like always there for her. And when she turns 12 and a half, and it's her half birthday, she gets the dream birthday gift that she really wanted, which is social media, and she can post like her TikToks and Instagram and all those things that she really wanted to do before. And she's at a birthday party, and she not accidentally, but she finds this filter on TikTok that's like new, and it's like a birthday TikTok. So it's her 12 and a half birthday, and she, in the scene, she's very upset, and she's crying in the bathroom, and she just finds this filter, and she wishes to work for her idol, Blake. She also wishes to be cool, popular, and be best friends with the leader of the Cambridge Street Girls. And she flashes into the future, and now she's in the future. She's still herself, but she's 22, so 10 years older, and she has everything she wanted. Big apartment, and she's best friends with the leader of the Cambridge Street Girls, and she works for her idol. She's making a lot of money off of her videos. She's hanging out with all her favorite celebrities from before. But she does run into a few glitches, and that's gonna affect her life. While working for Blake, she finds out some secrets that she didn't want to find out, and she has to explore more about her future and learn that being older doesn't mean you become better, and also how to be a better person, because in the future Harper saw and heard a lot of things that she was really mean, and there's this big secret that has to do with her and her idol, Blake, who's her boss. But I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to figure out, if you are going to read this book, what happens to Blake and Harper, which it's totally Harper's fault. And Harper has to realize Harper has to be sure to be kind when she gets back in the past, and be kind to all her best friends, and not take her family and friendships for granted. And so this is a super thrilling and fun book. My favorite character is Ava. I really like Ava. Ava is Harper's best friend, and I really like Ava because she's always there for Harper, even when Harper kind of betrays her by trying to be friends with the Cambridge Street Girls, who are not the nicest people, and will definitely exclude Ava if Harper did join them. And that, I mean, she's so fun to read about. Harper's really, her experience traveling into the future is also very exciting and very thrilling to read about. So I hope you guys enjoy this book as much as I do. I would recommend this book to kids between the ages 9 through 13, and I hope all of you guys enjoy it so much. I know I did. So yeah. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. Bye. See you guys later.